Hello, my name is Cohen. I'm a construction manager with Neal Communities in Wildleaf, North River Ranch. Basically, when you purchase a home with Neal Communities, you're going to start off with a pre-construction meeting where you're going to meet someone like myself and also your sales associate. You're going to kind of go over the process and go over expectations, what you chose in your home. So at the pre-drywall phase, you're going to be walking through the home. You're going to be able to see the walls from the inside for probably the last time ever. You're going to be able to see where the insulation's going. You're going to be able to see plumbing, electrical, HVAC, outlet cable positions for your TVs and whatnot. So throughout the course of the build, you're going to be reached out by your construction manager and your sales team every week or every couple of weeks just to give you updates on some big progress reports, such as tile getting installed, drywall getting installed, molding going up, appliances delivered, cabinets going in, just to kind of show you and get you part of the build as much as possible. During your orientation, you're going to be able to go walk through your home with your construction manager. We're going to go over how to operate your entire home all the way around the exterior to the interior. This final step of the process is to get you through the home, looking at everything to make sure all the little things are going to be able to get fixed for the move-in day. Our goal is to make sure that your home is up to the Neal standard. One of the most rewarding things of my job here at Neal Communities is to put happy customers, homeowners, families, friends, furry friends into that finished home and everyone having a smile on their face. It's really great to see a neighborhood come together and be able to wave to you even after the fact of finishing your home. Just to say hello, welcome to the neighborhood, welcome to Neal Communities.